Now let us see example 6.26. Now see the question. A player sitting on the top of a tower of height 20 meter observes the angle of depression of a ball lying on the ground as 60 degree. Find the distance between the foot of the tower and the ball. After root 3 value also they have given. Okay, so first you have to understand the question and draw the diagram, then easily you can find the answer. So in our question what they have given, one tower. Okay, so one tower is there. The height of the tower they have given, that is 20 meter. On the top of a tower one player is sitting. Okay, so after he observes the ball, where is the ball? A ball is on the ground. Okay, a ball lying on the ground in 60 degree angle on the top of a tower. He looks at the bottom, he looks at the ball. Okay, so that's why they have given that is angle of depression. You know that angle of depression mean from the top to bottom, if they see that angle of depression. Okay, so after in our question what they have asked to find out, find the distance between the foot of the tower and the ball. This is the question. Okay, so now see the solution. First you can see how to draw the diagram. So here one tower. Okay, so this is the tower. This height of the tower they have given, that is 20 meter. Where is the ball? On the ground, one ball. Okay, so here this line also you have to draw. Okay, the next one, on the top of a tower one player is sitting. Okay, so now you know that angle how it will form. Here they have given angle of depression. Angle of depression means from the top to bottom, when they see that angle is called an angle of depression. So angle how it will form, the line of sight with the horizontal line only the angle will form. So horizontal line how will you draw? A player is sitting on the top of a tower. When he looks at right, this line is the horizontal line. Okay, after the line of sight how will you draw? So the line drawn from the eye of the observer to the point where he is looking. Now he is looking at the bottom only, looking at the ball only. Okay, so here. So this is the line of sight. This is the horizontal line. In between only the angle will form. In which degree angle he looks at the bottom? 60 degree angle. Okay. So after in our question what they have asked to find out, you know that this is the ball, this is the foot of the tower. Okay, so this distance only they have asked to find out. So you know that here you can put the letter A, B, C. This you can take as a X. Okay, so now you know that this here only you have the right angle triangle, here not you have. Okay, so here if you have the angle only you can find the answer. So how you know that? Already I said. So this angle and this angle. Okay, so if you are confusing means you can think the is such shape like that you have or not. Okay, so this angle 60 degree mean this angle also 60 degree only, because both the angles are alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal, you know that. So here 60 degree means here also 60 degree angle only it will come. Okay, so now the angle is here. So this is the right angle triangle. Then can you find out this answer? So this distance only we need to find out, that you can consider as a X. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, so here one tower is there, the height of the tower 20 meter. On the top of a tower one player is sitting. So here one ball, a ball lying on the ground. So this line also you have to draw. After, so the angle how it will form, you know that the line of sight with the horizontal line only the angle will form. So here this is the horizontal line, you know that when he looks at right, this is the horizontal line. When he looks at the bottom, okay, so this is the line of sight. In which degree angle he looks at the bottom? In 60 degree angle. Okay, so this is not a right angle triangle. So here you know that this is should shape like that you have. Okay, so this both are alternate angles. So here 60 degree mean here also 60 degree. So now you have one right angle triangle, that angle also you know that. Now we are going to find out this X. So you know that this is the right angle triangle. Which side is the hypotenuse? The opposite of the right angle, this is the hypotenuse. So this angle, this is the opposite side. Okay, so this angle near this one, this is the adjacent side. So in this diagram adjacent side only we need to find out. Okay, so X value only we need to find out. So now you can see, let BC be the, everything you have to write BC be the height of the tower. Okay, so after and A be the position of the ball. So I know that the ball is here only on the ground. Okay, so this point, the on the point A only the ball is there. Okay, so let A and A be and A be the position of the ball lying on the ground. Okay, so A be the position of the ball lying on the ground. So you know that BC, the height of the tower BC, you know that is 20 meter. And the angle also you know that angle, which angle you know that? CAB. So this angle XCA and CAB, both angles are equal already I said. Okay, so C angle, here A angle, both one is equal. So can you name the angle XCA? Okay, so this angle and CAB, this angle, both angles are 60 degree only because both angles are alternate angles. Okay, so which distance they have asked to find out? The distance between the foot of the tower and the ball. Okay, so this distance only they have asked to find out, that we have considered as a x, that also you have to write. Now we are going to find out this AB, x value only we are going to find out. Now in the right angle triangle name, so ABC. Okay, so this right angle triangle ABC. So you know that which side value, we know that this side, you know this opposite side, you know that. Okay, adjacent side, opposite and the adjacent side we have to find out. Okay, so here opposite side, that is 20 meter, you know that. Adjacent side only we need to find out. Hypotenuse here no need to find out, and the distance also we don't know. Okay, so we are going to use the opposite and the adjacent, means you know that turn only, turn ratio only we need to find out. Turn angle, you know that 60 degree, turn 60 degree is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, that means BC divided by AB. Okay, so tan 60 degree value from the tabular column, you know that tan 60 degree, that value is √3 is equal to BC, you know that BC, that is 20. AB, what we have taken? X. So AB instead of x you have to write. Now x value only we are going to find out. Okay, so now x is equal to this. If you transpose to this side, how it will change? A division. So this division part, if you take to that side, mean the multiplication. So then x is equal to 20 divided by √3. So already you know that the denominator you have the irrational factor. Then how we can change this one? So multiply the same, the denominator what you have, multiply and divide with that number. Okay, so that irrational number. So now here √3 you have, so you want to make the denominator rational number, means how you can change this one? Here the same, the denominator what number you have, that number you have to multiply and divide. Okay, so now you have the denominator √3, so same number you have to multiply and divide. So √3 by √3. So now see here, in between multiplication, 20 into √3, that is 20 √3, √3 into √3, now 3. Okay, so now you have the whole number you have. Okay, so that's why we have multiply and divide with that one. So now you can, √3 value in our question they have given, so 20 into √3 value here, what is it? 1.732. so √3 instead of, can you apply 1.732 divided by 3? So now after you have to multiply and divide this one, we will get the answer 11.55 meter. Okay, so this is the x value. So x means the distance between the foot of the tower and the ball. So the answer is 11.55 meter. Okay, so that is the answer. Thank you.